It is early in the morning. The light is soft. The room is quiet. I am still in bed. I feel slow. My body feels heavy. My eyes are half open. I like it. I hear no noise, no phone sound, no people talking. Just quiet. It feels safe. It feels simple. I breathe in. I breathe out. Slow breath. One more breath. I think about getting up. I do not move yet. I stay here. Just a little more. The bed feels warm. The air feels cool. I like this mix. I tell myself that. It is okay. I can be slow. I am not in a rush. There is time. I say it again. There is time. My mind feels empty. Not good, not bad, just empty. I sit up, slowly, very slowly. My feet touch the floor. The floor is cold. I feel it. I stand up, I stretch my arms, I stretch my back. My neck feels tight. Ouch. Just a little. Then it is better. I walk to the kitchen. My steps are soft. I do not want noise. I want quiet steps. The kitchen is clean. Not perfect, but clean enough. I look at the sink. One spoon is there. One plate is there. I can wash them later. Later is fine today. I open the window. Morning air comes in. It feels fresh. It feels cool. I look outside. The sky is light blue. No strong sun yet. The street is calm. I see one person. They walk a dog. The dog is small. They move slowly, too. I feel a bit hungry. Not very hungry. Just a small feeling. I think about coffee. I always do. Morning means coffee. Coffee means comfort. I take my cup. It is my favorite cup. I use it every day. It has a small chip. I still love it. I put water in the pot. I turn on the stove. I wait. While I wait, I look at the clock. It is still early. I have time. I say it softly. I have time. The water gets hot. I hear small sounds, little bubbles. Then more bubbles. I add coffee. I stir. The smell comes up. Warm smell, strong smell. It makes me smile. I pour the coffee. I watch the cup fill, dark and hot. I hold the cup. It warms my hands. That feels nice. I take a small sip. It is too hot. I blow on it. I sip again. Now it is better. I really like coffee. I stand by the window. I drink slowly. One sip. Then another. I feel more awake. Not fully, just a bit. My head feels lighter. My body feels calmer. I think about today. Nothing big, nothing special. I do not plan much. That is okay. Maybe I will work. Maybe I will not. Maybe I will do one thing. Maybe I will do nothing. I like days like this. Not busy. Not loud. Not full. Just quiet. Just small moments. I sit down. I keep drinking. Slow morning. Slow heart. I hear a bird. Just one sound. Then quiet again. I hear my breath. In, out. I look at my hands. They hold the cup. They look normal. Nothing fancy. I feel here. I feel now. I am here now. My phone is on the table. I do not touch it. Not yet. The phone can wait. Messages can wait. The world can wait. I like this moment. No screen, no noise, No fast talk. Just me. Just coffee. Just morning. I finish half my cup. I take another sip. My shoulders drop. I relax. Sometimes I wake up fast. Sometimes I wake up slow. Today is slow, and I like it. I think about my mood. I feel calm. I feel quiet. I feel gentle. Not happy, not sad, just calm. Calm is enough today. I look at the floor. I see my slippers. I put them on. Now my feet are warm. I walk to the fridge. I open the door. Cold air comes out. I look inside. Eggs, milk, bread, a little fruit? I am not sure. Do I want food now? Maybe later. Maybe just coffee. I close the fridge. I sip again. I sit at the table. I look at the wall. There is a small mark. I keep seeing it. I think about cleaning it, but not now. Not this morning. This morning is soft. Not now is okay. I look out the window again. The street is still calm. A car goes by. Then quiet. I watch the light move. It slides on the floor. It looks warm. I take another sip. My cup is getting lighter. My coffee is going down. I think about my to-do list. It is in my head. It is not long, but it feels heavy. Laundry, emails, one phone call, maybe groceries. I do not want it. Not right now. Not yet. I take a breath. I tell myself something simple. I can do one thing, one small thing. I do not need a big day. I do not need a perfect day. I just need a day. Some mornings are easy. Some mornings are not. Today is in the middle. I feel okay. I feel a little tired, but okay. I stand up again. I walk to the sink. I rinse the spoon. Just the spoon. Small action. Small win. I feel good. I go back to my chair. I drink again. My coffee is almost done. The cup is warm. My hands feel warm. I look at my hair. It is messy. I laugh a little. I do not care. It is just morning. No one sees me. I can be messy. I can be slow. I think about a shower. Warm water sounds nice. But I am not sure. Maybe later. Maybe after one more cup. But one cup is enough. I finish the last sip. Now the cup is empty. I hold the empty cup. I look at it. It is quiet too. I take it to the sink. I wash it with warm water, soap bubbles, simple circles. I rinse it. I put it on the rack. Done is good. I dry my hands. The towel feels rough, but okay. I walk back to the room. The light is stronger now. The day is waking up. I open the curtain. Sun comes in. It feels nice. I stand in the light. I close my eyes. Just for a second. Warm on my face. Warm on my cheeks. It feels kind. I open my eyes. I look around. This is my space. It feels familiar. It feels safe. I sit on the couch. I pick up a blanket. I put it on my legs. I do not want to start. I do not want to rush. I want to stay here. 5 more minutes. I look at the ceiling. I hear the house sounds. Very small sounds. A pipe. A soft creak. A far car. Nothing scary. Nothing loud. I think about my friends. I might text later. But not now. I think about my family. I might call this week, but not now. I think about myself. I am here. I am okay. I breathe again. In, out. Slow. I feel my chest move. Up, down. Up, down. It is simple. It is real. Sometimes I feel busy, even when I do nothing. My mind runs. Today, my mind is slower. Thank you, mind. Please stay slow. just for now. I look at my phone again. Still no touch. I like that. I know I will check it. I always do. But I do not want it first. I want my morning first, my quiet first, my coffee first. Now coffee is done, but quiet is still here. I listen to the quiet. It has a sound, too, a soft sound. I think about music, but music feels too much, so no music. I think about TV, but TV feels too much, so no TV. Just quiet, just breathing, just light. Quiet is my gift today. I stand up slowly. I walk to the bathroom. I look in the mirror. My face looks sleepy. My eyes look soft. I look real. I smile a little. Hello, me. Good morning, me. I wash my face. Cold water, then warm water. I brush my teeth. Mint taste. Fresh taste. I feel more awake now. A little more. I go back to the kitchen. I pour a glass of water. I drink. Water feels clean. It feels simple. I sit again. I look at the table. I see a notebook. It is there. I do not write. But I could. I pick it up. I open it. Blank page. I write one line. Just one line. Today is quiet. That is all. I close it. One line is enough today. I put the notebook down. I look at the time. Still early. I feel a small pressure, like a little push. You should start. You should move. You should do something. I hear that voice. It is in my head. It is not loud, but it is there. I answer it, softly. It is okay. I will start soon. But not now. Not now, voice. Not now. I breathe again. The pressure goes down. Not gone, but lower. I think about breakfast. Maybe toast. Maybe eggs. Maybe fruit. I stand up. I take bread. I put it in the toaster. Click. Small sound. Then waiting. I watch the toaster. I feel silly. But I like watching it. 2 minutes. Not long. I can wait. The toast pops up. Pop. I jump a little. I laugh. I am jumpy today. I put butter on it. I take small bites. Warm bread. Soft butter. Simple food. Simple is good. I eat slowly. I do not scroll. I do not watch. I just eat. I feel my stomach calm. I feel my body wake up. I drink more water. I feel better. Now I think again. What do I want today? Not what I should do. What do I want? I want calm. I want space. I want a slow start. I can do that. That is my plan. Maybe later I will work. Maybe later I will clean, but not all at once. One small thing. Then a break. I like breaks. Breaks feel kind. I stand up. I take the plate. I wash it. Water, soap, rinse. Done. Small action again. I feel okay. I look at the room. It is not perfect, but it is fine. There is a shirt on the chair. There are shoes by the door. There is a bag on the floor. It is normal. It is life. Normal is fine. I sit again. I look outside again. More people now. A few cars. A bike. The day is starting. But I am still slow. I do not feel guilty. Not today. I tell myself something. Very simple. I am a person. I am not a machine. I need slow sometimes. I need quiet sometimes. I need quiet today. I take another breath. I feel thankful.